Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Exotic review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software called Exotic. So this is an exotic review. Right now we are on the sales page and the demo video is missing, I guess. So for now the demo video, this is the demo video which is so it's not available. So we have to deal with the sales page. It says world's most exotic automatic commission system, 3 dots, question mark. ChatGPT untapped profit profiles, plugin turns any keyword into done for you funnels, banking huge commissions on autopilot, 3 dots, making us over 1120 plus per day with zero audience. Okay, zero audience and zero startup even as a total newbie. Okay, so watch how we took a profit profile and all this garbage which you have to read and waste your breath on this. I will not. And then you have money screenshots as usual, 1 2 3 step, and you're ripped off. Okay, cool. So let's get done with the sales page because that's all we got in the hands. And then let's see the questions at the bottom so that I can tell you what not to do or maybe what to do. Okay, so where are we? We have do I need experience to get started? No. Monthly cost? No. How long does it take to make money? As soon as you die you will make money in your next life. Do I need to purchase anything else for it to work? No, just buy everything and then they will come back again and they will rip you off again. So here you have to buy this in $17 usual stuff, and then they will make you pay more and more and more and more and more, and for what you are paying nobody knows. Something which is started with 17 ends with 197 maximum. Okay, so keep paying them so that they can keep making money and you can keep losing. You can keep losing, they can make money. This is how it works. You give them, they take, and they come back again. So let's get to the good stuff. Exotic, blah blah blah. This guy name is Cheeseman. Okay, so this look, remember the name and recognize the face. He also has a YouTube channel, I guess. Okay, and he's a scammer only. So if you go to the profile of this vendor, these people come and launch these programs or software you see here. So they have launched 9 software in the past on this profile, and everything is being sold to you in the name of making money online. Now I do not care what this software is going to do. Will you be creating some funnels or landing pages, or what are you going to get inside the members area? I don't give a shit or crap about it. Okay, because I will apply the SLC formula and I will take them down, and then it's up to you. So here again, nobody cares about you. All they care about is to come on this website Warrior Plus and sell you something which you do not need in your life in the name of making money online. They are established scammers. Okay, now let's use SLC formula. SLC formula is S stands for keep it simple, simple life. Okay, L for logic, C for common sense. Use it if you have it. Keep it simple. Keep it simple means that if there was any system which is making anybody $1,120 per day, simplicity, if there was any system, that system will not be made public or will not be given to you. If you have that system, you will not give it to me. If I have that system, I will not give it to you. Okay, so if somebody has got a system which is making them 1100 per day, then they will not sell that system. That is part 1. And then common sense tells me that that system will not be sold to you in $17. Get a life. Okay, what do you eat? I don't know, if you accept all this nonsense. Okay, so first thing is that there's no system which makes this much money for anybody, and even if there was such a system, that will not be sold to you in only 17. So like, are you nuts or what? Because let's say, yeah, I'm gonna give you the system which will make you $1,120 tomorrow, from tomorrow, and then all you have to pay me right now is 17. Wow, which means from tomorrow you will be in the profit of $1,103. Do you think people are idiots or only you are smart? I mean, only you can afford $17. I can't. I can afford $17 maybe 17,000 times. So hold on to your breath. Okay, none of this madness will make you money. In simple words, I don't know, I don't want to waste my breath on this. In simple words, or the last word from me is that do not buy anything from this website called Warrior Plus. Tomorrow I might not be making the videos. Tomorrow I might not be here to do all this. Okay, the only line which you need to remember from me is that I told you not to buy anything from this website called Warrior Plus. that's a good enough reason for you to save your money. Okay, don't get into the program. What is it? What is it? What will it do? Where's the demo video? Where's the dashboard? What am I buying? Don't worry about it. I gave you the last word. That's the last word. Nobody can change it. Okay, so if you buy this, you will lose your money. Nothing else is gonna happen. If you want to make money online, wake up. Making money online is as simple as making my YouTube video. You have seen my video, you have seen some ads in this video, in this YouTube video. The moment you see these ads, my money is made little bit money, okay? But for this to work, you got to work manually. If you want to do affiliate marketing and sell products and make money online, you have to bring people to your offers. How do you bring? If you want the free method, come and make a YouTube video. If I don't make a YouTube video, then you will not go and check out these links, okay? So I am making a video, and then I'm asking you to go and go below my video and click on these links. That is how you make people come to your offers, and that is how you grow your email list. That is how you sell. That is how you make money. Okay, if you want to get into affiliate marketing, you have to do it manually, and you have to work your fucking ass off if you want the free method, which is YouTube. Okay, but you will need proper training. If you want to make it work on YouTube like me, you can check out the second link. It says make money on traffic Jarvis. It will teach you exactly what I'm doing right now on YouTube. First method says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Forex trading is like this thing here, the graph, the currency graph. You buy low, you sell high, or you buy high and sell low. It works both ways, and we will do this on automation by using a software. Okay, so for now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell thingy. Exotic, these things will come, will go, and will come back again. Okay, all of this is madness. All of this will make you lose some money. All right, get a life from this, get a move on. Right, if you want to make money online, go watch yourself in the mirror. Why will somebody pay you online? Either you go and scam somebody, you offer them some garbage bonuses and scam them, buy this, buy this, buy this, keep selling them 7 different products in the whole week, okay? And keep repeating that over and over again, and you will look like a clown to me. If you are, let's take an example of YouTube, okay? There are people on YouTube who do this on who do the same thing on YouTube. The only difference is that they have the same script. Oh, hello guys, I have a new product for you today, and go below my go below my video, click on the bonus page. These are 4 awesome bonuses for you. Buy from me, tada, bye bye. And they do the same thing by coming on camera and by coming on YouTube, okay? Can somebody make me understand? If you are selling X on Monday, Y on Tuesday, Z on Thursday, ABC on Saturday, Sunday. So if you're selling 7 different things on 7 days in your YouTube videos, then tell me or make me understand what the fuck are you doing on YouTube? Why don't you just go and buy those 7 things and make money yourself in the back, and you don't have to come on the camera and show your face and give some bonuses in somebody's ass? They know what makes money. They know they have to come on YouTube and make you buy in the name of making money online and in the name of bonuses. That's where you get scammed, because if you want to make money, you have to make somebody else to buy, okay? How can you do that? Come and make a YouTube video. Nobody's stopping you. YouTube is an open source, free for public. If you have the guts, come and make YouTube videos. If you want the training, you will have it. Avoid this exotic. These things will rip you apart. If you want to make money online as a man, as a woman, with honesty, with integrity, without even selling anything, check out these links to this forex trading and traffic Jarvis. In the end, subscribe, like, and watch the video till the end. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now, forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time, because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, okay? Now, we will not be doing any of this manually, because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits, okay? So again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are 2 videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those 2 videos till the end to understand what this method is all about, okay? I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those 2 videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype, okay? Do not contact me before watching those 2 videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those 2 videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action. because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.